Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Hello everyone, welcome to RB Tutorial Point. In this video, we learn about Microsoft Excel. Guys, my name is Ravi. Today we learn about Microsoft Excel, some more features inside Excel. Guys, please subscribe my channel and share the videos. And don't forget to press the bell icon, never miss any another updates. Let's continue. Guys, in this chapter, we learned about working with cells and sheets, basic cells content to continue a series with a fill handle. Whenever you work with Excel, you enter information or content into cells. Cells are the basic build block of Excel. You shall need to learn the basic cells and cells content to calculate, analyze, and organize data in Excel. Watch this video to learn more about basic working with cells, understanding cells. Every worksheet made up of thousands of rectangles which are called Excel. Cells Cells is the intersection of row and columns. In other words, where a rows or column is meet. Columns are identified by ABC while row identified by 1 to 3. Each cell are its own name and cell address based on its columns and rows. Example in your screen. That the cell address also appeared in name box in top left corner and that cell's column row headings and highlights when the cells is selected. You can also select multiple cells at the same time. A group of cells is known as cell range. Rather than a single range address, you will refer to cell range using cell address of first and last cell. Cell is range separated by columns. For example, a cell range that include cells A1, A2, A3, A4 and A5 could be written as A1 dot A5. Took a look different cells range in this picture. In this topic, we clear about to select a cell. To select a cell, to input or edit cell content, you first need to select the cell. First, click a cell to select it. Example, we shall select cell D9. A border will appear around selected cell and column heading and row heading. We highlighted the cell. We remain selected until you click another cells in the worksheet. You can also select cells using the row key and your keyboards. To select a cell range, sometime you may want to select a longer group of cell or cell range. First, click and drag the mouse to all of the adjoint cells you want to select are highlighted. Example, we select the cell range V5.C18. Second, release the mouse to select and desired cells range. The cell will remain selected until you click another cell in the worksheet. Cell content. Any information you enter in spreadsheet we will be stored in cell. Each cell can contain different types of content including text, formatting, formulas, and function. Text. Cells can contain text such as letter, number, and date. Formatting attributes. Cells can contain formatting attributes that change the way letter, number, and date are displayed. For example, percentage can appear as 0.15 or 15 percentage. You can even change cell text or background color. Formulas and function. Cells can contain formulas and function that calculate cells value. Example, sum bracket V2 dot V8 add the value of each cell in the cell range V2 dot V8 and display the total cells is 9. In this topic, we learn delete or clear cell content. Select the cell with content you want to delete. Example, we select the range H10.A10. Then select the clear command on home tab, then click clear content. Third, the cell content will be deleted. You can also use the delete key on your keyboard to delete content from multiple cells at once. The backspace key will be one delete content one cell at the time. How to delete cell? First, there are important difference between deleting and content of cells and deleting cells itself. If you delete entering cell, the cell below their shift to fill in the gaps and replace deleted cell. First, select the cells you want to delete. In our example, we select A10.H10. Second, select the delete command from the home tab on the ribbon. Third, the cells below is shift up and fill in the gaps. In this topic, we learn to copy and paste cells content. Excel allow you copy content that is already entered into your spreadsheet and paste content to another cells, which can save your time and effort. First, select the cell you want to copy. In your example, we select F9. Then click the copy command on home tab or press Ctrl plus C on your keyboards. Third, select the cell where you want to paste the content. Example, we select F12.F17 copy cells. We have dash box around them. Fourth, click the paste command on home tab or press Ctrl V on your keyboard. Fifth, the content we paste into the select cell. Click the paste command on home tab or press Ctrl B on your keyboards. The content will be pasted into the selected cell. In this topic, we learn about to access more paste options. You can also access additional paste option which can convert when working with cells that contain formulas and formatting. Just click the drop down arrows button and paste command to see these options. Instead of choosing command from reviewing, you can access commands quickly by right click. Simply select the cells you want to format, then right click the mouse. A drop down menu will appear where you find several commands that are also located on Ribbon. How to cut and paste cell content. Unlike copy and pasting, which duplicate cells content, cutting allow you move content between cells. First, select the cells you want to cut. Example, we select G5.G6. Second, right click the mouse and select cut commands. Alternative, you use the command on home tab, press Ctrl X on your keyboards. Select the cell where you want to paste the content. Example, we select F10.F11. The cut cells now have a dash box around them. Fourth, right click the mouse and select the paste command. Alternative, you can use the command on home tab, press Ctrl V on your keyboard. Fifth, the cut content will remove from the original cells the paste into select cell. How to drag and drop cells. Instead of cutting, copying and pasting, you can drag and drop cells to remove their content. First, select the cell you want to remove. In our example, we select H4.H12. Second, the mouse over the border of the selected cell until the mouse change to the pointer from four arrows. Third, click the drag that contain to that location. Example, we move them G4.G12. Fourth, release the mouse. The cell will be dropped in the selected location. And last topic is to continue a series with a fill handle. The fill handle can use to continue a series whenever the content of row or columns follow as sequentially ordered, like number 1 to 3, days Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. The fill handle can guess what should come next in the series. In most cases, you will be need to select multiple cells before using fill handle to help Excel determine The series order list took some example. First, select the cell range and content the series you want to continue. Example, we select E4.G4. Second, click the drag that fill handle to continue the series. Third, release the mouse if Excel understood the series. It will be continue to selected cells. In our example, Excel add part 4, part 5 and part 6 H4.J5. You can also double click to fill handle extent of clicking and dragging. This can be useful for longer spreadsheet where clicking and dragging may be awkward. Thank you guys watching this video. Any doubt, any queries, drop in description box. Thank you guys.